This is day 3 of improving my communication skills when talking to a camera. So the topic for today is puyat versus productivity. Therefore, I want you all to realize that puyat is a thing na ginagawa para magawa yung you're sacrificing your sleep to do the things you really want to do. And productivity is something na a measurement of gaano ka madaming nagawa, na maayos. So, the lesson for today is do not sacrifice your health, your sleep for something you need to do. You have to manage your time wisely kasi pwede namang matulog ka ng maaga and such. But this is not for all, okay? May mga different tao na night person, morning person, iba is iba't iba tayo ng sleeping schedule and such. But all I want to say is treasure your health. Okay? Di bali nang di ka productive basta you have your health aligned because if health falls, everything else falls. That's all, day 3. Bye bye.